Well, here we are, Unit 1, Objective 2, looking at some practice problems. And this objective deals with negative exponents. So what we want to remember is that negative exponents mean reciprocal. Let's get started with problem number 1. It says evaluate expression and write each answer as a fraction. So in part A, we start with 4 to the negative first power. Well, you can think of that as a fraction, 4 over 1 to the negative first power. And negative exponents mean reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 4 over 1 is 1/4. And the exponent then becomes positive, so it's 1 over 4 to the first power, which we can simply call 1/4. Now, we're not going to think of every problem in this complicated manner, but this is the thought process behind rewriting expressions that involve negative exponents. So now part B, they give us 4 to the negative second power. So think of it like we did in part A, a reciprocal. So this is going to be 1 over 4 squared, which can be simplified. 4 squared is 16, so our answer is 1/16. That's our story. Now let's take a look at part C. Negative 4 to the negative first power. That's going to be 1 over negative 4 to the first power, or negative 1/4. And when you have a fraction, remember, it doesn't matter if you put the negative sign in the middle, call it negative 1/4. It doesn't matter if you put the negative sign on top, negative 1/4. And it doesn't matter if you put the negative sign in the denominator, doesn't matter. They're all equal. So what I like to do for simplifying problems down the road when we have to do multiple steps, when there's a negative fraction, I like to put the negative sign in the numerator up top. It's not necessary, but that's how the answers will be expressed in these videos. So you do what makes sense to you. Hopefully you understand what we just said. The next problem is going to be very similar to part C. You have to be a little bit careful. You start with negative 4 to the negative second power, but that's going to be really 1 over the quantity negative 4 squared. Here's where we have to be careful. Negative 4 squared is negative 4 times negative 4, which becomes a positive 16. So the answer is 1/16. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. You know, if you have questions, come on in during seminar, before school, ask questions during class. But hopefully this cleared up some of the trouble that we've been having. Thanks for watching.